Will you still be?
Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Maddie, and I am here with another YouTube video. So guys, today's video, I know you can't really see me and it's weird, but today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to monetize your YouTube videos. So you really don't need to see me. So today's video should be fun. I just want to show you guys real quick how to monetize your videos and give yourself a pat on the back if you just hit 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So first things first, I'm going to go over to my creator studio and I'm going to show you guys how to get to the monetization part. So you're going to go down and then you're going to click on the channel box. You can see I tried marking it where it's at. Now you can look down here and see if you are able to do monetization. Mine is enabled because I have earned the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers. Recently though, you can still see they're still congratulating me on it. So down here it's going to show you everything, and congratulations, your channel was reviewed and is now eligible for monetization. Here is how your channel will look while it's being under review. This took me about 1 month, but then I heard back from them through an email saying congratulations, your channel was approved and now you can start monetizing your videos. It can take longer than a month, but YouTube looks at whoever's got the highest ratings first. Okay, so once your channel is approved, it will automatically monetize all the videos that are eligible for monetization, but here's how you can check if all the ones you wanted to make sure that are monetized. Looking for the green $sign, yes, that $sign right there. All the videos that are eligible for monetization will have them next to them, except for the ones like copyright purposes like this one. It will have an X over the $sign. Now I'm going to show you guys how to step-by-step monetize your videos. So we're going to click on edit video, then we're going to go down to the description box. Then we're going to click on the monetization tab. Something like this should pop up. It's going to be monetized with ads, and you're going to click over it and it's going to show a blue check mark, and then there's different kinds of ads. There's display ads, skippable ads, side ads, you name it, they have it, and I allow all those. I'm totally fine with that. And if your video is past 10 minutes, then you can put more than one ad on your videos. So you just click on what spot you want the ad to be playing on, click insert ads, and you can do a preview on how it looks too. You want to make sure not to put too many ads in your videos because then it gets really boring, so a good rule of thumb is to put one ad every 5 minutes. Then you just click over here to see the preview. Okay, so now I want to show you guys what will show up if you cannot monetize your video over copyright. So you can see that they still offer the tab. You can click on the tab, but it will show this. It will tell you that this video is not currently eligible for monetization because it shows signs of copyright. And this video had someone else's video in it and the background was their music. So this was just asking for copyright. Okay, so this is one of my old channels and I want to show you guys how it would look if you do not have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. It will not say that you're eligible for monetization. It will say not eligible for monetization. And you can see that there's 4 steps. You have to have YouTube program, and you have to have all these things approved, and I got all 3 approved except for the last one, which is the new rule they just put out last year, which is 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers you have to have. And you can clearly see I don't give much attention to this channel. And when I hit the goal on my channel, I didn't have to come here and click on anything. It automatically sent to YouTube and they started reviewing my channel automatically. So even if you hit 1,000 subscribers in 4,000 hours without even recognizing it, YouTube will automatically just go ahead and start reviewing your channel. So if it says this, then unfortunately you do not have the goal yet of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. But if it doesn't say that, then your channel is under review. And if it doesn't say that, well, congratulations, then you're getting monetized with your videos. So congratulations. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe because we do a lot of cool things on here, and I would love to have you guys here on the channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.